Here the given question is, we have 3 circles of diameter 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 6 centimeters. These circles are inscribed inside a rectangle. The middle circle touching the other 2 circles as shown in the diagram. Our aim is to find the distance between A and B from here to here. So let's see how to find. So what we have given? They given only diameters of the 3 circles. The first circle we call C1, the diameter is 3 centimeters. So if diameter is 3 centimeters and we know that diameter is nothing but 2 times radius, then radius is diameter over 2. So for the circle 1, the radius is 3 over 2 is nothing but 1.5 centimeters. For the circle 2, the diameter is 4 centimeters. From diameter, we can find the radius. So the radius is 2 centimeters. So for the circle 3, 3 centimeters. According to the given information, we found radius of 3 circles. Let's see how to solve the AB distance. From the circle C1, this is the center. If you draw a line from center C1 to center C2, from center C1 to up to here, this distance is nothing but radius, isn't it? So, and we know that the first circle radius is 1.5 centimeters. So that means this distance is 1.5 centimeters. From here to center 2, this distance is nothing but radius of the circle 2. The radius of the circle 2 is 2 centimeters. From C1 to here, the distance is 1.5 plus from here to C2, the distance is 2 centimeters. From C1 to C2, the total distance is 3.5 centimeters. If you extended this C2 diameter line up to here, and then if you draw a line from here to here, here we formed a right angle triangle, isn't it? See here. We know that C1 and C2, the distance is 3.5 centimeters. What about this distance? To find out this distance, we need to observe the total distance from top to bottom. So it is same like the circle C3 diameter, isn't it? So that means this total vertical line, the length is 6 centimeters. Because in rectangle, the vertical lines all are same. So if this, for the circle C3, the diameter is 6 centimeters, it is same as this vertical line. That's why this line also 6 centimeters. So the total length is 6 centimeters. And also observe this circle 1, observe the short distance. From here, from center to here is nothing but radius. And for the circle 1, the radius is 1.5 centimeters. After draw these lines, we formed a rectangle. So if this is, in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. If this length is 1.5 centimeters, that means that opposite side also 1.5 centimeters. We know from here to here distance 1.5 centimeters. So we need to find that this length from here to here. So for that, we are taking the total length. From the total length, if you subtract this shortest length and this shortest length, then you will get the middle length, isn't it? So that's why this length is nothing but radius of the second circle. So what is the radius of second circle? That is 2 centimeters. So we need, from total, you need to subtract 2 centimeters, and also we need to subtract the shortest distance, which is 1.5 centimeters. 2 and 1.5, which gives 3.5. From 6, if you subtract 3.5, then you will get 2.5. And we know this length and we know this length. So we formed a right angle triangle. That means this is the triangle. Now the same triangle I am drawing here. So this is C1 and this is C2. The total distance is 3.5 centimeters, isn't it? And just now we found this distance is 2.5 centimeters. So this is the right angle triangle. This is the angle. The angle opposite side is nothing but hypotenuse. So our hypotenuse is 3.5. It is a right angle triangle. That's why we can use Pythagorean theorem here. What is the formula for the Pythagorean theorem? The formula is hypotenuse square equal to adjacent side square plus opposite square. So this distance we can call x. So that is x square plus 2.5 whole square. We know that hypotenuse square is 3.5 square. So let's write here 3.5. From here we can find the x value, isn't it? So that is 3.5 whole square minus 2.5 whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. The formula is a plus b times a minus b. Use that formula here. Then we can write 3.5 plus 2.5. So 3.5 plus 2.5, it is nothing but 6 only. So I am writing just 6 here. times 3.5 minus 2.5. 3.5 minus 2.5 which gives only 1. So 6 times 1 which gives only 6. So the x square, the value is 6. Then x is square root of 6. So that means this distance is root 6. Let's come back. This horizontal line is same as the top horizontal line because it is a rectangle. That's why from A to here the distance is root 6 centimeters. Now our aim is to find the distance from here to B. For that, let's draw a line from center C2 to center C3. From here to here the distance is nothing but radius of the second circle, isn't it? So the radius of second circle, the distance is 2 centimeters. So this is 2 centimeters. And from here to the center of C3, the distance is nothing but radius of the circle 3. The radius of circle 3, the distance is 3 centimeters. So this is 3 centimeters. So that means from C2 to C3, the distance is 2 plus 3, which gives 5 centimeters. Now our goal is to find from distance between here to here, isn't it? So if you draw a line from here to here, this horizontal line and this horizontal line are same. So if you want to find this horizontal line, we need to draw a line here and find this distance. So if you find this distance, these two lengths are same because of the rectangle. Now observe this distance. From center C2 to the bottom 2 is nothing but radius. So the center to the radius is 2 centimeters. If this is 2 centimeters, so here we formed a rectangle. If one length is 2 centimeters, the opposite length also 2 centimeters, isn't it? And for the circle 3, the diameter is 6 centimeters. If the diameter is 6 centimeters, the radius is 3 centimeters, isn't it? Here to here, the distance is 2 centimeters. And center to here is 3. That means 3 minus 2, which gives 1. So this distance is 1 centimeter. So here again we formed a right angle triangle. So same triangle I am drawing here. So this is C2 plus C3. The distance is 5 centimeters. And from center to here, this distance is 1 centimeter. And here we formed a right angle triangle. So now our aim is to find this distance. According to the Pythagorean theorem, hypotenuse square equal to, so this is the hypotenuse. And this distance we just call it as y. Hypotenuse square equal to sum of the two side square, that is y square plus 1 square. Y square equal to 5 square minus 1 square. So 5 square is nothing but 25. 25 minus 1, which gives 24. So then y equal to square root of 24. Square root of 24 we can write it as 4 times 6. So it's nothing but 2 root 6. So this distance is 2 root 6. So that means this distance is 2 root 6. If this distance is 2 root 6 and it is same as this distance, that's why this distance also 2 root 6. So from A to here the distance is root 6. From here to B the distance is 2 root 6. So that means the AB distance is root 6 plus 2 root 6, which gives 3 root 6 centimeters. 3 root 6 centimeters can write in terms of decimal point, that is 7.35 centimeters. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and give your valuable support to me. Thank you for watching.